The next question is E16.22. At January 1st, 2022, Cameron Company outstanding shares included the following. So 280,000 shares of $50 par value 7% cumulative preference shares, and then 800,000 shares of $1 par value ordinary shares. Net income for 2022 was 2,830,000. No cash dividends were declared or paid during 2022. On February 15, 2023, however, all preference dividends in arrears were paid together with a 5% share dividend on ordinary shares. There were no dividend in arrears prior to 2022. On April 1st, 2022, 450,000 ordinary shares were sold for $10 per share. On October 1st, 2022, 110,000 ordinary shares were purchased for $20 per share and held as treasury shares. So instructions: compute earning per share for 2022. Assume that the financial statements for 2022 were issued in March 2023. Now, so still the same, calculate the basic EPS. First of all, we need to determine how much is the weighted average ordinary shares. Yeah, so we will start with the beginning amount 800,000 before the event of April 1st, 2022. So January 1st to March 31st. Yeah, 800,000. Okay, the fraction is 3/12, so the weighted shares is 200,000. And then from April 1st until the next event is October 1st, 2022. So April 1st to September 30th. So we add 450,000 ordinary shares because it's issued. So from 800,000 plus 450,000, so become 1,250,000. The period is 6 months, so 6/12. So the weighted shares is 625,000. And then from October 1st until December 31st, okay, 110,000 shares were purchased. So means that it minus the ordinary shares outstanding. So from 1,250,000 minus 110, the shares outstanding is 1,140,000 times 3/12. So 285,000. So the weighted average ordinary shares is 1,110,000. If this if the financial statement is issued before the share dividend event, so this amount will be correct already. But then the financial statements are issued in March 2023, so it means it is already after the share dividend event. Now we need to adjust it with the 5% share dividend event. So that's why from this total, we need to times 1.05 because of the share dividend. So the weighted average ordinary shares adjusted is 1,165,500. Now after that, we can already calculate the EPS. So net income minus preference dividends divided by weighted average ordinary shares. Net income is 2,830,000 minus the preference dividends because it is cumulative. Yeah, so it is 7% times $50 times 280,000, so it becomes 980,000 divided by the weighted average ordinary shares adjusted. So the EPS is $1.59.